Have you ever wondered what you eat as munchies, how it is made? The symphony is orchestrated with one simple rule: how to create pellets that can be loved by everyone. Roble Agro Foods makes it happen with beautiful melody of automation machine. No human touch and precise taste and consistency. Feels like a conductor is conducting an orchestra. Our dedication towards quality and innovation brings the world of snacking together. The supply chain is so beautifully synchronized that it makes it feel like a music to your taste buds. Exports and mastering service, because customers comes first mindset, has built trust among the business world that has deep-rooted all the relations. Quality that gives you goosebumps and makes you crave every day. Partner with us for your global standard needs. Roble, love at first bite.